Yes. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good night, good day. Whatever time it is that you're tuning in, that you're listening to me once again. I hope everything is doing well with you. Hope you're doing well. Family is good. Health is good. And everything is running smooth. I pray. Yes, do remember to like, share, and what's the other thing we always say? Subscribe. But I'm not just saying that to be a robot. I need you guys to actually, whoever listens to this, I need you to actually share the video, like it, and subscribe to it, and spread the word, if you like the content. Me personally, I'm just here to voice my opinion of how I see things. I'm not saying I see things how everyone sees it. This is just my opinion on everything. We're gonna talk about Usain Bolt again, and we're gonna talk about how things are in this society right now. And do we celebrate um, this scamming action that has took place? Do we celebrate the fact that Usain Bolt has gotten scammed? What do we do now? Is the question. Is I'm trying to figure out, because it's a society in which everyone now celebrates and embrace the whole scamming and the whole chopping. So, looking at the media recently and, seeing people saying people feel bad for Usain Bolt getting scammed. But at the same time, what I'm saying isn't this what we are embracing? Isn't this what we are saying in our music and in our day-to-day life and the way we talk? And we have come to a point where we embrace scamming. We embrace chopping, as we call it. So what happened now? Are we to be sad? Or are we to be celebrating? Or are we supposed to be laughing at our great athlete who have gotten scammed? Do we celebrate the person who has scammed them, has took his money? Do we celebrate that person and say, wow, that's a real chopper? I want a real chopper that. We have to celebrate that. Do we celebrate that chopper? Do we say, yeah man, that chopper there, a real chopper, a real choppings. $100 million by a morning. A real chopper that. Is it the norm now, or that we celebrate this? It's what I'm wondering, and I'm trying to figure out, what do we do now? What do we do now? I mean, when we go to these parties and we hear these songs being played, we bust a blank. I mean, we bust several blanks. I mean, we throw down a whole heap of money. A whole heap of money pull up, me say I want for all them junior now. And dunce check on them tune there. Back of the line we there, we not no subject. Whole of we dunce. The whole of we a scammer. Yeah. The whole of we a chopper. I wonder what Usain Bolt opinion is on these songs and these music that people say doesn't have any effect on how we operate in our society. No so them say. Them say are just music. And are just words and nothing really. Nothing gonna happen after those words are just words are just a music. And are really nothing serious. Are we to believe that that is the truth? Nothing serious now happen. Are just words. The music doesn't influence the society. Or the society influence the music. That's another topic, I guess. That's another topic differently. But I mean, what we do right now, do we celebrate? So Usain Bolt get chopped. But maybe because him a one big star, you know, he no sit well with us. Maybe because we feel like Usain Bolt is someone who we know. For example, if somebody were to scam a close relative to you, or if somebody scam your brother, your sister, your son, or your daughter, you not go celebrate, you not go feel happy. But if somebody scams somebody else who you don't know that person, then you laugh and say, boy, he get chopped. But when it comes so close to you now, it's not funny, you're not clean up your teeth anymore. It's not funny again. I telling you the truth. We're head down a wrong road. I mean know that. I know that the whole heap of scamming and the whole heap of guzo. Everybody say them are science. Wait till me bucky giant. Eh? And I work a guzo and I chop up a line. Then you know she say we are head down a wrong way, man. We are head down a wrong road, you know, and when we go down the road, how the hell we all get back out, me no know. We're gonna reach to a point of no return. As far as me see it. What can we do? What are there any changes that we can make before it's too late? Or a better question is it too late now? Has our society gone so far to a point of no return? Can we get back to One Love Jamaica? Are we gonna able to get back to One Love? To Irie? Or those are the good old days that are gone and will never return. Because everybody wants scam, you know, everybody wants chop. So when you have so much chopper, everybody a chop. We not go chop up one another. Now that's all left for we do chop one another and then now a problem that. Now that's a problem, eh? We are go left for chop when we chop everybody. And we self we are go chop too. You know that happen, you know? Usain Bolt now dance to this a song, you know? If the artist come out with a song tomorrow and say, boy, a tune and Usain Bolt get chopped, he not go dance to that song. Come on, people. We have to grab back this country and our society, and we don't know how we are going to do it, but we need to get back Jamaica before we lose it. It look like a lose, we out to lose everything, you know. We have to go grab it and get it back. Only God can help with what we see it, you know. But anyway, that's my opinion for today. My little talk for today, my little rant. You know, say I just rant, me not really. I just share my opinion, basically. Some things make sense, some don't. But pick sense out of nonsense. Thank you for joining. Remember, subscribe, like, share, and you can even comment. Me read the comment them too, so. Until next time, just thank you for joining in and look out for the next video. And if you pray for Jamaica. Bless upon yourself. Take care. One love.